Okay YouTube, today we're going to be looking at all of these components and putting them into this computer. This computer's already got a pre-installed motherboard and CPU. It's got one of the early Intel Core processors. It's also got an installed heatsink, but I'm putting a new larger fan on it. It is only IDE, so I'm installing a new IDE drive here. There's the IDE cable. But we've got two 512 megabyte sticks of graphical RAM. I'm also installing a OCZ Agility 3 SSD, 120 gigabytes, and a Western Digital 250 gig hard disk drive. And we also have this ATI Radeon graphics card. This is quite an old one. It's a 96 series, 9600 series graphics card. I've been installing that today. And we've got the SATA cables, as you see there. This red one. And this is just my light, just so I can see what's happening. Got a magnetized screwdriver, and just a regular screwdriver with a flathead for taking the screws off of the back. So let's get to it.